All right. Welcome back, traders. It's TeamWithERVING here. Welcome to another session. Make sure you like and subscribe so you will never, ever miss any content from us. All right. So let's go ahead and give you the Forex disclaimer. It's the following. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader trying to show you how to squeeze hundreds and hundreds and hundreds. Wait. And what? And hundreds of pips. That's why we're here for. Let's go. Let's go ahead and remind you guys, we are trading the week of October 26th to the 30th, 2020. This is the last week of October. October is history now. So we are coming next week. We're going to be trading our November. So far, I'm so proud to announce that this month of October, the last 3 weeks of October, none of our trade really went against us. If you would have put your trailing stop accurately. All right. So we are going to be trading our multiple time frame today. Make sure you like and subscribe so you will never, ever miss any content from us. So you are trading with TeamWithERVING. Let's go. All right, let's go to the chart and see if you guys have any questions. So we are gonna go ahead and start with USD peso. This is what I think USD peso is gonna do, guys. I don't think that US peso is really ready to go up yet. Remember, the sentiment here is bearish. The market is bearish. So what we're looking here is 1 or 2 more candles to still drop. Then market is gonna give us a PV. Then finally, market is going to give us here a red indication saying, Irving, we are coming down. Boom. And that's what we're looking for. But look, this is why I don't like PV. I always tell you guys, I really don't like PV. Look at here. PV is getting ready, but the market is still not ready to go buy as a bullish yet. Be careful. Be careful. Remember, market here is bearish. You should be looking only for bearish. Look at this gorgeous boom. Look at how sexy it is, guys. So you should be entering, and here, brothers and sisters, pop in this location here, another one here, another one here as well. So we're looking only for sell. Please, guys, for the rest of the year, don't look for buy. All right. So hopefully all this makes sense. I'm here live, guys. Let me know if you have any question. That is the only way that I'm going to be able to help you, okay? So let me know. Comment below. I'm here live with you. All right. So let's go and hopefully everything makes sense. All right, let's go to the next pair. The next pair is the Gbpusd. This is great. Pay attention what Gbp is telling us here. Remember this. Gbp is in a buy position, guys. Market here is in a buy position. It's not selling. Be careful. Look. Our multiple time frame and our magic arrow is letting us know, hey, Irving, we are in a sell position. Yes, you are. Right? But you're seeing it. Market is dropping. Market is not going bullish. It's dropping. Exactly doing what our multiple time frame is telling us the market is doing. But the question here is it ready yet? I don't think so, guys. Oh, you know what? You know what I'm forgetting, guys? Because this has become a very useful tool to type here while we're trading here. We are trading multiple time frame system. Trading with whom? TeamWithERVING. All right, so the link is below. The link is below if you want to grab our system. All right, so I don't think this pair here is ready to go yet, guys. Market still dropping down. So this is my opinion on Gbpusd. Market still has gonna drop 1 or 2 more candle or 3. Then finally, boom, market will continue in a buy position. Remember, we're looking here only for buy. I don't want to trade bullish market, but hey, I'm telling you what the market is gonna do here. Remember, guys, these are not signals. This is for educational purpose. So you can go back to your system, reanalyze it, and make it your decision. Yes, I'm going to see what I can do with this trades. My rules are okay. If you don't have multiple time frame, you are missing on this money. All right. All right, let's go to the next pair. this is USDCHF. This pair here is great. I think this pair here is great, guys. It's ready to go. It's basically hitting you in your face, letting you know, hey, buddy, I'm gonna be in a buy position. And I agree. I think it's good, guys. This is good. Market, my opinion, remember, this is not a signal. It's here, it's clean, giving us a buy position. Look at what it comes in here, confirming an extra confirmation here, letting us know, Irving, we are gonna be in a buy position. So all I have to do now is apply my rules. What I'm gonna think is market's gonna come back and retest our 23 to our 38 Fibonacci line. From there, market is gonna do a small PV, boom, and then boom. Market will give us a what? A buy position. That is exactly what the market is gonna give us here. All right, so we're gonna come back on Tuesday at 4 p.m. Eastern time, where we're gonna review what we did yesterday, Saturday, and today that is Sunday. So we are gonna be reviewing both days. Okay, so let me know in the comment below if you guys have any question. Hopefully you guys are finding value on this. If you are finding value, make sure you destroy that like and share and do whatever you have to do. All right, pay attention what Euro AUD is doing, guys. Euro AUD is in a sell position right now. So this is what I think the market is gonna do, guys. Remember, look, pay attention what this guy is telling us. Telling us market is in a sell. Look at here. Standard market is doing a what? A PV, right? Perfect. So I think now this week market is gonna still drop more, guys. It's not fully ready yet. It's gonna come back and retest these levels here. 38 Fibonacci to our 50 Fibonacci. Then it's do a small PV. It's not gonna give us any red arrow, nothing like that. It's gonna be just exactly how you see here. Small, boom, went back up, and then market from here, boom, it will drop. Euro AUD, in my opinion, is okay to trade, but these are not signals. All right, so hopefully all this makes sense, guys. If I'm confusing you for anything that whatever it is, let me know in the comment below. I'm here live with you. You can always comment later. I was gonna read your question and answer any doubt that you may have. All right, let's go ahead and move on to our next pair, because I want to keep this video sweet and clean. But before I do that, guys, I just wanted to make sure that if you have not signed up to our golden area, to our multiple time frame, this is the time to do it. Come and join us if you want to make some money. If not, it's fine. Keep doing what you do best. But if you want to come and join us, we're here, guys. The link is below, to be honest. So hopefully you will be part of our team, because in here our job is to what? To make money with multiple time frame systems. So come and join our multiple time frame system. The link is below. You are trading with TeamWithERVING. All right, TWE Forex Trading. Let's go. Get the access to our full system. All right, so let's go ahead and give you the next pair here. The next pair is gonna be AUD USD. Pay attention to this one. This pair here, guys, is awesome. I don't know what system you guys are using, but this pair here, in my opinion, is freaking awesome. So market here is telling us, brothers and sisters, it's telling Irving, Magic Arrow is telling us we are in a buy position. What do you think? Well, look at here, guys. You're here with me live. It's not that I'm making this up. Today is Sunday. Look, market's still doing what? Market is bullish. Remember, Irving loves to teach only reality, real time. This is what all I care. What is going to happen tomorrow? What is going to happen on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, close on Friday, and profit. That's all I care. I don't care A lot of other trading, other agencies, they love to teach you back data. They think by teaching you back data, you will make money. No, sir. Don't get it twisted. It's not gonna happen. All it matters is real time. But pay attention what the market is doing here, guys, because this is good for you to understand. So here on Euro AUD, the market is in a bearish position. If I'm gonna be trading for the rest of this month, for this week, I'm gonna be looking for sell. But pay attention what this guy is giving us here. It's telling us, Irving, we are gonna be in a sell position. What are you gonna do? Remember, the candle already closed. Look, it's this candle here, already closed bearish. The second candle here is already letting us know it's in a sell position as well. So what I think the market is gonna do this week here is market is gonna drop more all the way, retesting our 23 to our 0 Fibonacci line, where it's gonna give us a small PV, boom, retesting our 23.6 Fibonacci line. From there, we are gonna be getting in a beautiful red arrow in here, letting us know, Irving, we are gonna be in a sell position. What are you gonna do? Boom! Market will drop. What do you think? Alright, guys, make sure you like and subscribe, guys. Look, I'm doing all this content because I love you guys. Look, it takes time to give you real time. Look, on the past 10 months, guys, I think, if I'm not mistaken, doing live analysis here on YouTube with you guys, I think maybe, if I'm exaggerating, maybe 12, 15 pairs went against our rules. Most likely, our winning ratio here is 75%, guys. And a lot of traders are, Irving, that's multiple time frame repaints. Guys, there's no such a perfection indicator in this market. It's the type of traders you are. Are you trading? The question you need to ask yourself is, 1, am I trading with the trend, or I'm going against the trend? 2, do I have rules? 3, who am I supposed to be trading with? Do I have the right mentor or not? So those are the questions you need to be asking yourself. Don't be asking, Irving, I see and I sell here, I should have entered here. Or I see and I buy here, I'm gonna enter here. No, dude. We trade with rules. I don't give a damn, to be honest, if this guy pop in here, tell me I'm gonna sell and I buy. I'm trading with rules. If my rules don't qualify for that trade, I will not take it. You can do whatever you want. It's your account, but I'm not gonna trade it. That makes sense? Hopefully that clears up, guys. Come and join, guys. Come and join our team. So we are trading here with multiple time frame. Let's go to the next one here. The next one, nobody requested this time, but I'll be giving you silver for the last 2 weeks of October. In the last 2 weeks, we have been very, very accurate on silver. Here it is again. Unfortunately, this time nobody requested. But I'm here. I'm going to give it to you. All right, so this is what I think silver is going to do. Look at how system works. I don't want to show you back data, but hey, look at that. Everything will look good. Buy. Real time. Market is in a sell position. But the question is, what is our multiple time for hours doing? Well, it's telling us, Irving, we are in a buy position. Why would I be selling right now when everything is telling me the market is in a buy position? So what I think the market is going to do this week here, market is still going to push up, guys, from here. Still going to go up, probably 3 more candles. Then we're going to see here a continuation of the drop. Boom! Market will give us a bearish position. That makes sense? Guys, make sure you like and share. And make sure you subscribe, because we are coming back on Wednesday. I didn't even know. I totally forgot to turn off the beeping. It's freaking annoying, to be honest. Let me go ahead and show you here, because this is what the market is gonna do. It's gonna drop. Boom! And you need to be making money with multiple time frame system. Let's go, guys. Hopefully you guys are finding value. and I'm very excited here. Just bear with me. Make sure you tune in on. We're gonna do a video tomorrow, Sunday. Someone requested, Irving, can you analyze Euro USD? I already dropped that video yesterday. It's gonna do. Pay attention to the pre-week USD, Euro GBP, and gold. Everything is in there, guys. All right. So you're gonna love it, guys. Let's go. Let's make this money together. All right, guys, so thank you so much for coming in today. God bless you guys for all the support, and we are growing very rapidly. I'm very, very excited on that. We are changing the world one way or another. I don't know, that this business was gonna keep me busy, but here it is. All right, guys, so thank you. God bless you, and God bless the United States. Take care.